What's new in Lumafusion 3.2? Let's try out this video, shall we? Let's go. Now Lumafusion available on the iPad as well as the Android and Google Chrome. Depends what format you're using, what platform you're using. It's available on both. But this latest update is for iPad or iOS device, okay? 3.2 is available on iPad, iOS device. So you can download it, it's there. Go to your Apple Store and it's there ready, okay? Download it. Now, what's new in this version? In this update here, they say they have 35 new transition, okay? So 35 new one. It's about time, okay? They update this, okay? It's been nearly, let's say, 6 years, okay, before they update the transition. I'll go through in the back end, have a look at each transition, hopefully. I'll show you the one that I like. I'll play around with a little bit really, but I'll show you what I like, okay? What I think is a cool transition you can play with, okay? And also you can back up from your iCloud drive, and also you can link the folder, okay? Now, before you do the big update, make sure you finish all your projects. Please finish that first before you do a major update like this. Or every time you do an update, make sure you finish whatever you have first. Don't do an update when you are in the middle of an important project. When I first update this app right here, right, to 3.2 from 3.1, it crashed on me, okay? I don't know what happened. I emailed them, they still have no clue, okay? I sent them, supposed to send them the project file, but that's too much hassle, okay? Now, if you have a major project, don't ever update it, okay? Otherwise, you might run into trouble. Just from experience, common sense, okay? Do that. Now, for me, I have problem with it crashing, okay? So I delete everything, delete the app, and I download a new version. And it works. So let's go to Lumafusion. Right now, I'm in, okay? Blank, nothing, okay? Let me add a folder first. So you can add drive, T2, let me add to my B-roll collection, okay? Now, apparently you can rename this, okay? So you can rename link folder, okay? But the best way is to rename it in your folder structure in here first, okay? Don't have to do it, in here. And also, I recommend edit out an SSD drive. All your media store in here, okay? So you have no problem with finding whatever you have to find in your media. Let's put something on first, and we have a look, okay? Put this one in point, out point, smooth in, boom. Make another one, so we're there, in point, out point. Let's get it in, okay? Another one. Okay, the three will do, okay? Now let's have a look at the transition. Okay, go to transition. What are the new one? Grow, blur, push, soft. Okay, I think these are the motion one are the new one. Okay, so let me drag it in. Okay, have a look. Okay, that's the transition. Drop in. Okay, that's cool. Earthquake. So they have different names, so it's pretty cool that they did that. Okay, this is the new one. So play around with whatever you like. Okay, so there's blur as well. This spin blur, I like this one. Cool, right? Usually with this, right, I used to have to make a custom made one. Okay, but now with this one, pretty cool. Okay, so go ahead, play around with it. Okay, whatever what you like, you can make it. Okay, so there's another 35 new one. Okay, let's count. So it's 4, 9. Let's see, 4, 12. It's new as well. So all the one at the bottom. Okay, the slide. Okay, push out as well from the shape. Okay, shape like that. Put it in. Okay, circle. Okay, from the shape, wipes, motion, blur, and light color. I think that's the new one. Okay, I didn't say it. Okay, I didn't have the old version to compare. Unfortunately, they didn't put it and say new as well. So, but I have this on record, so we know. So the old is an O, the wipe are O, slide O, push are O, soft wipe O. Okay, the shape. Okay, from the shape, motions, blur, and light and color. Okay, that's the new one. Okay, so go ahead, go around and play with it. Okay, very cool. There's no automatic transition just as yet. Okay, I request that kind of transition. So my favorite and most commonly used transition is what? A cross dissolve. Okay. For me personally, I use a cross dissolve 99% of the time. So I'm not sure why they don't have a automatic transition. So right now I have to drag in, right? A cross dissolve, I have to drag in each time. There's no automatic transition. Okay, so okay, I want this transition here and cross this off. Can we automate it into a automatically one? So hopefully in the future updates we have that automatic transition. Okay, I request that, and a lot of people have requested that as well. So finger crossed, we have in the future an update with an automatic transition. So in this update, it's not a game changer at all. Okay, so if you're waiting for something more dramatic, support something like that, Lumatouch at lumatouch.com, something like that, and email them. Okay, say I want this request. Now, if you're new to Lumafusion, please check out this video on my channel playlist, and you know everything you need to know about video editing with Lumafusion, a very cool semi-pro editing software that you can do for your next video project. My name is Trevor Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.